G'day, Mick. Got some bad news. We're not going to make it.
But today's the final. Did you let Rocket drive?
No? Maybe. We're going to have to forfeit.
Nah. Leave it with me.
Oi, Mick. Everything okay?
Forfeit my ass.
The house is in an hour!
G'day, Jacko. You up for a run?
Oh, Mick, I'm pretty flat out, mate.
Right.
All right. Pothole, you're in charge.
Sarge, you good? Ready?
Just take her back and apologise.
G'day, Miss Robinson.
How's your banana kick? Yep, get in.
And on the fourth day, the Lord created the rest. Amen.
Come on, Vic, hurry up.
G'day, Mick.
Hey, Murph, are you in?
Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
Yeah, Vic. Hey, Tank, you right?
I'll play.
Yeah,
Can I play full forward?
yeah, get in.
But I've never played before.
You'll be right.
I'm just going to take out the rubbish.
Get your kits on. Come on, it's game time.
How are they going? Ooh, they're getting smashed.